हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आपको पता है कि 13 जुलाई को हमने एमए सोशियोलॉजी के सेमेस्टर फर्स्ट के नोट्स पढ़ना शुरू करने थे। मंडे और ट्यूसडे को फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के नोट्स अपलोड होंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना सभी नोट्स को पढ़ने के लिए। पहले क्वेश्चन हम पढ़ेंगे मीनिंग, ओरिजिन एंड नेचर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी। मीनिंग ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी। द वर्ड सोशियोलॉजी इज derived from two words, socius Latin meaning society and logos Greek meaning study or science. Thus sociology means the scientific study of society, social relationship, social institution and pattern of social interaction. Sociology studies how individuals interact with one another, how groups are formed, how social institutions like family, religion, education, economy and politics function and how society changes over time. According to Auguste Comte, society is the science of social phenomena study to natural law. Next, Ferber defined sociology as the science which attempt the interpretative understanding of social action. Origin of sociology. Although the study of society existed in ancient times, in the works of Plato, Aristotle, Confucius, and Ibn Khaldun, society as a separate discipline emerged in the 19th century. The main factors responsible for the origin of sociology were Industrial Revolution. It brought rapid industrialization, urbanization, and new social problems like poverty, crime, and class conflict. French Revolution. It challenged traditional institutions such as monarchy and church and promoted ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Scientific Revolution. The success of natural sciences encouraged thinkers to apply scientific method to the study of society. Growth of capitalism. It led to changes in class structure and social relations. Auguste Comte, known as the father of sociology, coined the term sociology in 1939 and emphasized a scientific approach to the study of society. Nature of sociology. The nature of sociology can be understood through the following points. Science of society. Sociology is a social science that studies in a systematic and scientific manners study of social relationship. It focuses on interaction among individuals and groups. Abstract and general science. Sociology studies social phenomena in general, not particular event, both empirical and theoretical. It uses observation, survey, and research along with the theories and concepts. Value neutral. Sociology aims to remain objective and free from personal bias. Dynamic science. It studies social change and social processes. Interdisciplinary nature. Sociology is closely related to economic, political science, history, and anthropology. Conclusion. Sociology is an important social science that helps us understand society, social behavior, and social change. By studying the meaning, origin, and nature of sociology, we gain a deeper insight into the functioning of human society and the problems faced in the modern world. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन था मीनिंग, ओरिजिन एंड नेचर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी। अभी एमए में न्यू एडमिशन शुरू हुई हैं और फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के बच्चों के लिए ये नोट्स बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। अगर आपको ऐसे ही हैंड रिटन नोट्स की वीडियोस चाहिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं। लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। धन्यवाद।